Today, I'm walking you through a full AI YouTube automation course with live process. No theory, just action. Make $500 per week on YouTube without showing your face, without filming, and using just AI. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, live process, using AI tools like ChatGPT for script writing, Google Docs for organized data, 11 Labs for voiceovers, FreePic, Flaticon, and Storyblocks for visuals. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a ready-to-upload faceless YouTube video that can start making you money. Step 1. Finding a profitable niche. The first step in YouTube automation is choosing a profitable niche. You want something high demand, but with low competition. I use vidIQ for keyword research. Here is how I find keywords with high search volumes and medium or low competition. You can find overview of your keyword, related keywords, matching terms, and questions. What people are exactly searching on YouTube with exact keywords. Step 2. Creating the script with ChatGPT. Now that we have our topic, let's generate a high-quality script using ChatGPT. Watch this. Typing a prompt into ChatGPT. Write a YouTube script for a video about make $500 a week with AI YouTube automation. And just like that, in seconds, we have a fully structured video script. You can tweak it to add your personality or reorganize it in Google Docs to make it even better. Step 3. Creating a voiceover with 11 Labs. Instead of recording my voice manually, I'll use 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators. Here's how. Copy script from Google Docs and go into 11 Labs. Click text to speech, paste your YouTube script here. Select voice artist, adjust speed and stability, and click generate speech. Boom, our voiceover is done and sounds super natural. Step 4. Adding stock footage and graphics. Now we need engaging visuals. No need to film anything. We'll grab stock videos from Storyblocks, icons from Flaticon, and graphics from FreePic. Step 5. Editing in Adobe After Effects. This is where the magic happens. I'll import the voiceover, stock footage, and graphics into Adobe After Effects and start compiling everything together. And just like that, our video is ready to upload. Step 6. Upload and make money. Now, just upload it to YouTube, optimize the title, tags, and description, and boom, you're on your way to making $500 per week. Subscribe for more AI money-making videos. See you in the next one.